What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be back on the all-wheel drive GMC, but I want to show you guys something. We have a new sponsor. The company is Dinovox. They sent us out some headers and wide pipe. Let me show you what we got. So here's the company, Dinovox. There's the website. They reached out to me, and I was like, why not? I'll try your headers. Here's the crossover pipe. It's really thick. I'm not sure what it's made out of. They said stainless steel, but a magnet stuck to it, so it could be like a 400 series stainless. Comes with both long tube headers. Really nice made. Really thick flange. A few dings in them from shipping, but I mean, it was free for me, so. They're really well packaged, honestly. They really are. Like I said, really well made, real thick flange. The header collectors are nice and round. They already have the O2 bungs in them. These are actually for a GMT 800 series truck. I'm going to be using them on a GMT 400 series truck, so we'll see what happens there. But there's a collector flange if you're going to use your factory exhaust, which we're not. And then 90. It does come with header gaskets, the bolts. We'll see if those are right. Seems like none of the header systems ever have the right bolts. But yeah, we'll see. And then it has wiring. I'm not real sure why we have wiring. We'll see. Alright, now I know on the last video I said you don't need headers, you can use the factory manifolds, all that stuff, which is true. You can. But here's the thing. These guys are a sponsor. I didn't buy the headers. I'm not going to turn down free crap to make videos. So we're going to put them on the truck and be happy about it. So let's get started putting these headers on. First thing we got to do is get these old manifolds off of here. Luckily, I just put these spark plug wires and crap on here, so they are not hard to get off. So we'll pull all these back off. Now, if you're doing like a build that this stuff was already on, I'm sorry, it ain't gonna be nearly as easy as I have it. So, you got your 1, 2, 3, like 6, 8 header bolts, exhaust manifold bolts you got to pull out. So we'll get those out. I am gonna have to drop the catalytic converters down that I put on there. I don't think I can fish those through the top, so let's get that done. Luckily, I didn't even have all the bolts in this thing, so there is that. I guess I got to get the 15s from the bottom first. So you'll have 3 bolts down here on your converter or your header, your manifold collector. All right, got that out of the way. That's something I was working on building for the exhaust, but not going to need that now, are we? Huh. old manifolds out of the way. These are the gaskets that came with the engine kit I had. These are the gaskets that come with the headers. Not sure which ones I should use. First, let's see. These bolts come with it fitted. Hot damn, winter chicken dinner. All right. I'm very impressed with this kit so far. See if this will feed down through there. Well, I had hopes. I don't know why I had hopes, because I've never once in my life found headers that I could put in from the top, but this may be trickier than I thought. Again, this has nothing to do with the header company. I am attempting to use 99 to 05 headers on a 91 truck. So definitely nothing on the header company. But it's just going to be a struggle, I think. I think I may pull the valve cover or the coil packs off. Okay, this passenger side fits really nice. I mean, really nice. There's the header, where the header's coming out. Man, it's gonna go right through that spot right there. So that header fitment is amazing. Again, I want to stress these are not headers for a GMT 400 truck or the OBS Chevy or whatever. I mean, there's a bunch of different names for it. 88 to 98. They will not fit the two-wheel drive models from what I've read. Now, I don't know that. I've never tried it. That's just what some guys on the OBS Addicts forum said. So, but I can verify that they do fit the four-wheel drive truck on this side. It's going to suck if the other side don't fit, because then I got to take it all back apart. I believe all our plug wires are going to fit on here. All right, that's pretty much amazing. Okay, my concern on this side is the steering shaft being in the way, which if I pull it, I have to pull it. Other than that, I don't see it being that big a deal. Battery's almost dead. You ever just had something and then now you can't find it? Yeah, I don't know what I do with my ratchet. I just had it. I literally just had it. I took it out from underneath the truck. Apparently it fell under the truck and I somehow didn't see that happen. God. Yeah, I'm not sure why I tied these so tight. Here's something you guys might notice. There was only 3 bolts holding each side of the manifold on. That's because I knew I was getting this header system. So I didn't want to put everything on. That take it completely back on. Alright. Moment of truth, and this is where I think it's gonna suck. Alright, I'm gonna be honest, y'all, I didn't see that coming. I thought it was gonna fight me. I'm thankful when they don't fight, but I'm prepared for it when they do. I don't know about you guys, but I'd rather go into battle thinking it's going to be a hard battle and turn out to be easy than thinking I got a 5-minute job. 2 days later, I'm still working on it. Tell the wife I'm going to go out to the garage for a few minutes, tie this up. Next time she sees you, you're retired. I mean, sometimes that's how it goes. Yeah. Oh, hood latch in the gut, that don't feel good. Y'all might hear the mower in the background. I apologize for that. I think my neighbor waits for me to start working on my truck and video and then starts mowing grass. I found this the other day. I've had this for probably 20 years and forgot I had it. But put the battery in it and it was still charging. It still works. So right now, hit those with the wrench, make sure they're tight. So the great thing about these headers is I am really impressed with the quality. I'm really impressed with the fitment, and being able to use your stock spark plug wires. That right there is a bonus for me. All right, there's our fitment on the driver's side. As you can see, I mean, it's kind of tight around that steering shaft, but it fits. Man, do they look nice too. I like it. Right there, you can see a little better. Fits nice. Now we got our Y pipe and our crossover pipe here. So let's get that put in. So that crossover pipe slid in perfect. Goes right under the transmission. That's the passenger side. It goes straight back. And I'm gonna run a single 3-inch. All right, there it is. It's all in. Fits very nicely, guys. So here's the truck as it sits. Now, the Dynavox headers, I highly recommend them. They're high quality. They fit nicely. Whether you got a 88 to 98 K1500, it's got to be the 4-wheel drive that you're LS swapping, or if it's a 99 to 05 GMT 800 truck, these are nice headers. I would definitely recommend them. Man, this truck's done basically. It's just got to go get tuned now. So here in a couple weeks, she'll be ripping. I can't wait to make those videos. That's it for now. Wait till you see guys the next one.